Rear window switch. To open, press lightly and release. To close, pull lightly and release. For one-touch opening or closing of a window, press or pull firmly and release. Rear window blinds. With the window fully closed, pull and release the switch. To lower the blind, push and release the switch. Rear window or blind selection. Press to alternate between left side window and blind, both windows and blind simultaneously, or the right side window and blind. Task lighting relax function. Press for a warm white light. Press again to lower the brightness, and a final press to switch off. Task lighting for work function. Press for a cool white light. Press again to lower the brightness, and a final press to switch off. Panoramic roof blind. Press to open the blind, press again to close the blind. Audio mute. Press to mute the audio. Press again to unmute the audio. The clear exit monitor warns of a possible threat after opening any door from the inside of your vehicle. The system activates only when a door has become unlatched. The first icon illuminates to confirm the system is active. The second icon illuminates to warn of a detected threat.